Mabuhay. This is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. It's almost 12 o'clock midnight and I am about to signing off because I'm gonna take a rest. I'm gonna sleep at this moment, few minutes from now. Tapos na ko nag-take sa ko ang medicine para sa ko ang fever, para sa ko ang cough, sa ko ang sneezing, sa kong sipon. And tapos na sad ko take sa ko ang strip cell. Basta magkaroon akong tutunlan, ano jud ko, kaon ko kining strip cell. This is my medicine. This is my strip cell. This is my Vicks. Kining Vicks na ko is hinatag ni sa ko ang isa ka friend si GR. Gamit kani iyang yang Vicks. Effective kayo. Thank you everyone. Thank you for always following me. Continue to follow my Facebook Reels and to subscribe my YouTube channel. Continue to likes and to shares my video clips. God bless everyone. See you tomorrow.